Hi guys, if you want to get 9 each or 8 each, if that's your desired score, just like Simran got in her attempt with our training, you can follow this timetable. Make sure you save this video and share it with as many people as you can. And also many congratulations to Simranjeet, our student who got 19 speaking, 19 reading, 80 and 79 in listening and writing as well, overall 85. Guys, so make sure you save this video starting off now. The first and the most important task is read aloud. Make sure you speak in a natural fluency the way I'm speaking right now. Don't take a lot of unnecessary pauses. We should practice 8 to 10 questions every day. You can get free access to all the real exam questions on MockMaster.ai, which is our website, free PTE portal. The second most important task, which is very important for listening and speaking, is repeat sentence. You need to practice at least 30 to 40 sentences non-stop, which is called bulk practice. If you don't practice that much every day, you won't get the habit of speaking fluently with proper grip on content. The third important task is describe image, and along with that I also club in retell lecture. Make sure you practice 5 describe image questions every day and 2 questions of retell lecture. Don't speak like this in describe image and retell lecture. You must speak at a normal speed with natural pauses. Slightly lesser speed than read aloud and repeat sentence is recommended. In the timetable, the next important tasks which need to be practiced daily: 2 questions of summarized written text, 2 questions of write essay. Make sure you put a timer of 5 to 6 minutes per answer of summarized written text so that in the remaining 3 to 4 minutes you can check your response. And for write essay, out of 20 minutes, make sure you finish typing the essay in maximum 14 minutes. That is the deadline. You must ensure that you have 6 minutes left to check your essay for spelling, grammatical and typing errors, and so that you can also replace some repeated words in the body paragraphs with better academic vocabulary. Very important in the structure of the essay. Third, reading section. Make sure that you either practice or read with the answers at least 15 questions of reading blanks, 15 questions of reading writing blanks. 30 questions per day is a healthy target, and 5 questions for reorder paragraphs. Maximum time 2 minutes per question for all fill in the blanks, so that's 60 minutes in total. And for reorder paragraphs, again 2 minutes per question, so that's 10 minutes. So 60 plus 10, 70 minutes. And if possible, also try to keep 15 to 20 minutes to analyze your answers. Think of it like a test. So after the test, you need to understand the mistakes, learn new vocabulary, understand grammar and tense rules. Last but not the least, one of the most important tasks in PT, listening. If you have not saved the video so far, make sure you hit the save button and share it with your friends as well, and do comment which other videos you like. Summarize spoken text, really important. The minimum number of questions you should practice daily is 3 to 4 questions every day. The next important task, listening blanks, at least 10 questions per day. The next important task is highlight incorrect words. Very important, at least 5 to 6 questions per day. Lastly, write from dictation. Make a habit that before you sleep, you do 2 things. The first thing is you read at least 3 pages from PTE's collocation list. PTE has a list called the PTE Academic Collocation List, which is available on Google. Just search that, you will find it. Each page has 50 to 60 pairs of collocations. Make sure you read at least 3 pages before you sleep, and you practice at least 40 questions of write from dictation every single day before you sleep. You might need about 40-45 minutes to practice those questions. Don't check every answer in write from dictation. Practice 10 sentences and then check all 10 together. Try to understand the pattern of the mistakes. This is my timetable. Every alternate day, take a full mock test on MockMaster.ai. You can get the score as well as you can see your mistakes. You get feedback on the portal as well. It's really effective. If you need classes, we are always there to help you with PT, IELTS and NATI CCL coaching. And now we also have IELTS mock tests available on our portal. We are one of the first portals in Australia to provide IELTS mock tests starting from just $50 with human evaluation in speaking and writing as well. Make sure you visit mockmaster.ai. Call us for classes. Thank you.